Please come and deliver speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and dear all. Today I am going to speak about 26 January with the students of MES gathered here to celebrate Republic Day and to know the importance of this day. Dear audience, Republic Day is a national festival and is celebrated on 26th of January and 26th January of every year. This day is declared as a national holiday. The people celebrate this day with a lot of zeal and happiness. The President of India raises the national flag on Rajpath in New Delhi. It is followed by a 21-gun salute and the national anthem. People from all over the country visit the Rajpath to view the grand celebration of Republic Day. The first president who hoisted the flag ceremony was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dear friends, India had been free from the control of British on 15th of August 1947, but 26th of January 1950 is given much importance just because of becoming India's self-governing country. And complete republican unit of this day, as well as the Constitution of India, came into force in the same day. In schools, colleges, government offices and private organizations, the celebration is enjoyed with full enthusiasm. March passes and the parade takes place in schools along with the other functions. Many schools distribute sweets to the students. The people celebrate the spirit of freedom and forget the difference between them such as caste, religion, language and culture. We should thank our freedom fighters and especially Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar who wrote our constitution. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you.